Hey everybody.
It's really hurt right now, like.
Beef jerky. Some people just make it at home, but I say just to buy it because it's way easier. Doesn't say what it is in English. I got this. Doesn't say what it is in Vietnamese. Excuse me. Okay. This is Vietnamese coriander.
Forward, and Ali and I are going to literally kickstart it right now. So we're going to start moving things around, getting the sofas in. Had a little bit of a rejig of the coffee tables, I think. I'm going to ask Sarah. Hold on, I'm going to sneeze. Bless me. I always get these like watery eyes. If you've seen me ill before, you would have seen that before.
Ой, блин, так захотелось чихнуть. Да, котята, тут у нас же будут эти ванавашки некоторые. Точно. Вот так интересно.
See myself at the viewfinder. Okay, anyways, let's move on. For the next look, we're keeping the same face makeup, the same eyebrows, but we're going to do a different eye look. Whew, I'm sorry. I'm starting off by applying a light
highlight caps and a crochet hook. I didn't use the cap or the crochet. It's super easy. You just take the
Mahogany. No idea if that would be called mahogany. Don't even know what mahogany looks like. Just making it up. Well, that was abrupt.
Very, very much. And I have all this stuff. I went to Mash Up LA, which is an amazing PR event run by my good friend Lindsay Hoffman. Oh my god, I'm gonna sneeze. Oh, wait, hold up. I think I'm getting a cold. Hopefully I'm not, guys. So send me prayers. Thoughts and prayers.
Oh, he's already figuring it out, like. How
Feels right. And this is it, you guys. This is the Valentine's Day makeup. Oh my god. Okay, my mascara didn't smudge.
Great for many, many things, including putting your piece and all sorts of weedy goodies in. I feel like I'm gonna sneeze. Oh, I did sneeze. Bless me.
Wow. Oh my gosh. Oh, yo, kid.
Oh, sorry.
No, it's just too much to make. God bless you. God bless you.
Oh, here we go. Okay. We'll be back.
I gotta sneeze.
Huge bottle of Nicki Minaj perfume because Santa knows that I really like Nicki Minaj perfume. I bought the Ralph Lauren No. 2 perfume, which smells really, really nice. But I don't know why. I feel like the Nicki Minaj perfume, nothing smells.
There on tour, I had a nice chair that I bought. It was cheap, but it was nice.
Come on.
Allie's dying. I think we should get this. We should bring this with us.
No.
This will fit in the RV, I think. We can get a little smoker for all the veggies we cook.
We have waterproof bags.
You got a vampire sneeze, babe. Vampire sneeze. What are they for?
Come on. Really?
Oh, are they just hiking poles? Here, pull the end. Bless you, babe. So what does it do? Just you see where the water is? Oh, so a walking pole.
Yeah.
Walking sticks are in the, it's called the woods.
They're both.
And they're called free. They're
Yeah.
sticks. If anything, we could have Zoe start looking for them for us.
I feel terrible.
Now this is how the plague started. Patient 0 over here. She has hand sanitizer and she's vampire sneezing. See the vampire sneeze? This could be fun. I also...
You might be allergic to the store.
Yeah, I know, exactly.
Terrible.
That's right, we're not telling you guys yet. Technically, we're not supposed to tell you. But we'll tell you soon. This is more...
control. And I suddenly noticed that, oh my god, I'm gonna sneeze. I still have a bit of a cold. So I've noticed that in...
Hey guys, time for another top 10 tips on Tuesday in under 2 minutes, all about geranium. I'm gonna sneeze. Oh, of course my camera. Oh.
Thanks. Hi guys, well... Ej, jeszcze musi klaszcze. Już 11 level?
Już jest zła. Już ze złości.
I want to go in with like full coverage because it's prom, but it oxidizes a whole lot. I knew that.